Kati Sareano. It's your girl Coco.
Dale Falawa, it's your boy Curry.
And today we'll be in the kitchen cooking.
Because mom is sick, so she gonna be a Indian daughter-in-law
It'll
today.
be a bahu. Indian bahu.
So enjoy our day, what she do.
And stay tuned. We just want to say hi to our baby girl, Laura. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
We got a video today that she's watching our vlog and crying. She's like, Mommy. I miss you, baby. Mommy, come soon, okay? I love you.
Mummy come soon. We come soon with
We
your
come
brother.
Soon. We come soon with your brother. We love you and miss you so much.
Love you, baby. Bye.
Okay, stop. I'm gonna cry. One for dal, because the onions go small,
Yeah.
and then I'm gonna do another one for paneer.
Yeah.
Give me one chili, eh?
What you go? Oh, my.
Or half.
No, one fine. You making everyone a food. Sorry. But why you order these burgers for?
Oh, that's for me. I don't know, but like I'm kind of weird. I don't like eating my own food. I like eating like someone else makes it. I don't know. I just don't feel like it afterwards. Like after it's cooked, and I'm just like, oh, I don't want to eat it. Like my own food.
Yeah. What are you adding now?
I need to cook some of that.
What? It's not apples.
What is it?
Baby, it's apple.
The orange.
Look at it. Is that apple?
I thought it was apple. It's pomegranate. How do I say it? Anar.
Anar. Yeah.
Anar. Why are you gonna have pomegranate?
I bring it for mom. So this is called star. You guys can't even say it properly, but we will show you soon when it's tempered. So she already finished it making. So this is the final thing. How it is.
Okay. I think she's just adding finishing touches.
What's the difference between this one and juicer, babe?
You tell me that.
So this machine kinda use the squeezy screw.
Squeezy for screw.
Yeah,
Is this
look.
a squeezy screw?
Yeah, this screw squeeze the juice like the orange. This one little bit filter it.
Yeah.
So this kind of thing don't go into a juice. So the juice got pulp too. Hopefully you guys can see. It got a little bit of pulp too. If you use a juicer, the juicer filter the pulp. So it's just kind of orange juice without pulp. But we all like it with the pulp, babe.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. You wanna try some?
Mm,
And it's not like heaps of pulp. It's just a bit.
yeah. Hopefully you guys can see. I can try to zoom in. Yeah. Ah, babe, what you doing now?
Let's make roti.
So, what's this?
This is atta.
What it called in English?
Atta flour? Wheat flour. This is wheat flour though.
Dough.
It's with water, the dough here.
Yeah. What's this?
This is dry atta.
Oh, why are you using this for like?
Oh, so it doesn't have sticky, it'll get stuck on here and onto the rolling pin. So
Oh,
you
yeah.
dip it into the atta.
Oh, this.
For your mum's food. She's sick. Come on.
Ask her.
तड़का लाता ना
Daddy, sabji ठीक है?
ठीक है बिल्कुल ठीक है
Mommy, Daddy, ho?
थैंक यू
Who taught you this? Making roti and stuff, babe.
Harmon taught me how to. Harmon Didi
Yeah.
taught me how to make roti.
Yeah.
I knew a little bit, but like, yeah. She taught me her way. Because her way is like really nice. Like thin and puffy like this. Yeah. And mom even taught me some things too, like certain sabjis to make.
Yeah.
Harmon told me how to do that puffy thing on the gas.
Mm.
Did you see that?
Yeah. So guys, I'm doing a pomegranate for my mom. So I just make like 2-3 cuts on it to become like a pieces.
You speak Punjabi too, Jane.
Okay, I speak Punjabi then.
Punjabi bolo.
Punjabi bolo. So a pomegranate
Pomegranate. Anar.
ਅਨਾਰ ਅਨਾਰ ਛਿੱਲਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਨਾਰ ਦੇ ਦਾਣੇ ਕੱਢਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਬੋਲੋ
ਅਨਾਰ ਦੇ ਦਾਣੇ ਕੱਢਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਕੱਟ ਪਾਏ ਆ ਕੱਟ ਪਾਣੇ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ 3 ਪੀਸ ਕਰ ਲਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਪ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਦਾਂ hopefully you all guys know that this is kind of a fast way maybe you guys know better than me so look like this it come out ਏਦਾਂ ਇਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਜਾਣੇ
ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲੋ ਇੱਕ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਬੋਲੋ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਹਾਂਜੀ so now again I'm doing it okay ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਤੋਂ ਫੇਰ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਥਡ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੇਜ਼ ਕੱਢਣੇ ਦਾ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰੋ ਕਮੈਂਟਾਂ 'ਚ hopefully you guys know this method if you guys know any other method which is faster than this you guys can share with us comment it
and done.
Can I have some roti too?
Yeah.
Can you give me some orange?
Handy. Dolly offered to do the dishes.
देख रहा हूँ तू सेवा किन्नी कराई जा रही है
Mummy, chini cut.
चीनी घट है कहते चीनी घट है ओए ओए
Hey guys, so now I will be making some paneer. I think shay paneer. Yeah. But I hope it turns out like that. Anyway, stay tuned.
Yeah.
Hold on.
So now you're adding tomatoes. Tomatoes.
More tomatoes, sweeter.
Little bit of what?
Sweeter like me.
You need a water?
Not now.
Okay. Sprinkle on.
I think most important ingredient, guys, is you see that? It's love. Pian. Add your pian and your tatka. So this is the paneer.
What's in
Paneer.
English called?
In English, it's called cottage cheese. So in New Zealand, it's more like yellow. I think it's because it's made out of cow milk over there. Over here, it's like white as. I think because of the buffalo milk. Not too sure, but I think so. So I'm cutting this up into pieces, and then when my gravy's ready, I'm gonna throw this in. That's just cooling down for a bit, and I'm gonna blend it and then add it in there. subscribe.
and comment.